The most merciful, honorable guests, respected teachers and all my dear friends. First of all, I would like to wish you all a very happy Independence Day. My name is Muhammad Affan. Today, we all have gathered here to celebrate 77th Independence Day of our country. Independence Day is the most important day to all Indians because on this day in 1947, we got independence from British rule. This is the day to remember the sacrifices of freedom fighters whose efforts got independence. We got independence with the help of many freedom fighters like Maulana Hussain Ahmad Madani, Shaykhul Hind, Maulana Mahmudul Hasan Deobandi, Maulana Qasim Nanotwi, Maulana Rashid Ahmad Gangohi, Maulana Abul Kalam Azad, Mahatma Gandhi, and Bhagat Singh, etc., who all devoted their entire life for the freedom of our country. We are so lucky that our forefathers have given us a land of peace, where we can enjoy our life happily. We must be proud to be Indian. Here I wind up my speech. Thank you.